How to fix a wireless printer connection for the HP LaserJet M109 through M112 printer series. If your computer is unable to detect your HP LaserJet printer over a Wi-Fi connection or a printer offline or unavailable message displays when you're trying to print, follow these steps to fix the issue. After each step in this video, try to print again. If the issue still occurs, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Restart your devices. Power off your printer. Then power off your computer or mobile device. Wait for 1 minute. Restart the router. Wait for 3 minutes. Turn on the computer or mobile device and then power on the printer. Wait for 5 minutes and then attempt to connect the printer. Step 2. Restore Wi-Fi setup mode on the printer and connect to a wireless network. Wi-Fi setup mode is an HP printer feature that makes the printer discoverable and helps the HP software connect your printer to a network. To put your HP LaserJet printer into Wi-Fi setup mode, complete the following button combination. Press the Resume Cancel button to wake the printer if it is in sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless button for over 20 seconds. When the attention light begins to blink, release the wireless button. The printer restarts and the wireless light starts blinking. If your printer was already added to your computer or mobile device, make sure you uninstall the old printer software before attempting to find and re-add the printer. Remove the printer from the Printers and Scanners settings menu on your device. If you have the HP Smart app, remove the printer by right-clicking or pressing and holding the printer image and then select Hide Printer. If prompted, confirm the option to hide the printer. The printer will remain in Wi-Fi setup mode for 2 hours. Within this time, add the printer to your computer or mobile device using the HP Smart app to complete the network connection. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can download it for free from 123.hp.com or from your app store. Place the printer and the computer or mobile device near the Wi-Fi router. If you are connecting using a computer, make sure your computer is already connected to the network. If you are connecting using a smartphone or tablet, make sure Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi are all turned on and that the device is connected to the network. From the HP Smart app home screen, select the option to add a new printer and follow the guided steps to set up the printer. Note: if prompted to set up a new or an existing printer, select the option to set up a new printer. Once the printer is connected to the wireless network, the Wi-Fi LED light illuminates blue. This means the printer is now connected to the wireless network. Step 3. Check the printer and network connections. If your printer is displaying as connected to the Wi-Fi network and you are still unable to print wirelessly, the issue could be that your computer or mobile device is connected to a different network. The printer and your computer or mobile device must be connected to the same network for wireless printing to work. Open the list of available networks and make sure it is connected to the correct network. A check mark or connected status displays next to the network name when connected. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.